In this tutorial you get to know how we're gonna add horizontals to our cabinet. First of all, we are here on a division tab and then we go to horizontal. When we click here, we can choose different connectors for our horizontals. How you set your own connectors you will learn in another tutorial. So after we have chosen our connector, we see here beneath horizontals, we can choose how many horizontals do we want to add with one drag and drop action. This is the same as here for the verticals. So after we have made our choice, we just keep the left mouse button pressed and drag it in this area where we want to have it here, in the left or in the right area. After releasing the mouse button, our horizontals are set. So now you see here in the right area is divided in 4 areas. The ratios between the areas are 1 to 1 to 1 to 1. So you see also when we here on the left top corner and we go with the mouse over the smart click, there appears the cube area with the measurement of the area. You see here we have the coordinate system and it's the same like here. So 500 is the width, 380 is the depth of the cube area, and 327.5 is the height of this cube area. When we click the smart click, then we see the menu is opening. Here we have different options. On top we can change the height. We see here is also number 1. That means all numbers from 1 to 10 are ratio numbers. Type in 2 and press enter. We see the ratio is 2 to 1. We can also change it. We can also change it to an exact measurement. Let's say 400 millimeters. Press enter. And now the other areas are adapting to the fixed one. So when you see that some smart clicks are disappeared, just click on any measurement and confirm it with enter, so it appears again. So in the next tutorials you learn more about the cube area settings, which is really important to understand TrunCAD.